Okay, fine. Good evening, everyone. So, ngasi class or si gravitation ni ngasi kisina third class ni ka. So, koi class hong na or si. I don't know where we. So, si le ka. Now, okay, fine. Ka si hai. And then gravitation ye koi question solve to ho gre. Ka question number kya ho to gre. Question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so on. Si khara tawgram ne ka. So kuina ngarang previous class ngarang gi class ta kuina kai bo tawgre ha matam da ngarang class ai petang ka tuna matam ken to si ka briefly tang chat si kuina ngarang gravitational potential tawbani ka dagi di gravitational potential difference ka again gravitational potential ai ji kaina matam da kuina ngarang hai gi bodo energy potential energy hana puthokani ka gravitational potential energy difference or change in gravitational potential energy gpe ka daidi ke doba daidi koina gravitational potential energy difference tagi potential energy puthoya then potential energy difference tagi potential difference puthoya ka then potential on puthoya gravitational field ka kamain torga related oine na ka and then koina ke doba gravitational potential of a ring at an axial point koina gravitational potential do kaya lay have to put where si dele reka formula ja and then mathang the gravitational potential of a thin spherical shell ko at a distance r now the distance r do outside the sphere or inside the sphere or ko khang de ko aduna outside ki ama hadi external point at an external point am put where at an internal point am ko r should be less than a so minus e put where then mathang the gravitational potential of a solid sphere at an external point puthoya sigisi minus gm by r ni ka aduga si sin external point ni aduga sigi aina ngarang sisi puthokta bi da direct adum thamjan grabane ba ka kay ba si sa gravitational potential of a solid sphere at an internal point so internal point gidi minus gm by 2a cube 3a square minus r square ni aina sisi proof ti taw gidre ko direct adum thamjan gra so सिगिजे हाइपेट केनो तौजी को प्रूफ तौजे ai ngarang si ai pura theory de chatla ni question amte practice ta hodre na ai ngarang si tawdabne ba ka so si question khara solve tawre ka adan si haipet yam thuna simtang keno to thoke ka proof to thoke aduga si proof tawr matungda gravitational kedoba acceleration due to gravity at a height h ka at a depth d ga adudumaga proof to thoksi or derive tawzi and then aduda based over question myam solve tawzi ka so aduan lere so let's proceed. God, anyway, fine. So, gravitational potential of a solid sphere at an internal point. So let me do like this. Okay. Of a thin shell within at an external point. Of a solid sphere at an external point. This is young mitse. See the lake, page number 6 the lake again. Of a thin spherical shell at a distance r. See na there. Of a gravitational potential of a solid sphere never ka. So see page number 6 to them later ka. See page number 8 will be the name ka. So duplicate the row and leg of it at an external point. Okay, fine. See the tower is at an internal point. Okay. So at an internal point. INTERNAL ka. Handwriting is going to do it. So, alright. Now, sige ma'am si huzik when kutalazi ka duga si guys kutalazi. Finally, I'll get ka manungule si panga dunya ka dunyan sige tors. Si atang height toge naturally space on the layer ka. Okay, fine. So Now, as you can we have the cost, and as you put the gravitational potential of a solid sphere at an internal point. Manung the lake doing a cost. On a internal point, we do ni have the let's take our spare may see application compass. So they pick the armor twice. Yeah. Anyway. So sige kitang PL ka. Sometimes you can set on ka. Yare. Network white of me or malika but okay, fine. Now do we have the the pyramid shell zigi magi radius ka shell gi radius city kaino have the shell zigi radius t. It is given as kaino small a ka a never. Adu aina puthokadriba points sisina kaida lay ha matamda at a distance r the lay at a distance r the lay ko sigi point p ze. Now sigi point p the lay potential difference never in puthokadris kyan tai ko isa gravitational potential difference at the point p. Now this is a solid sphere ni ko aduna at an external natre handa mukti ka at an kedowa internal point haidune ko at an internal point. Now adu ibataragadi hazik kedoni have the internal point gidi sile aduna yengasi ka. So hazik akoina kedoni minus z dm by r oigadune ko. So minus z dm by r c aina further magi z kaitani have the kedoba CGC aina sumaina tozika internal ka dm by r bpz minus z dm by r haibagi mohutta sumaina haisika. Second yenguko sisa. Can I say like this? bpz ke do we have the ka v higher than a ka bp higher ga mazi ke do internal ka plus ke do bp external. Aduna sisina ke do we have the external zina kaino have the nasagi point p ze cz haziki solid sphere gi manung da yauri neba aigi solid sphere gi magi radius kaino small a neba ko radius aduga aigi point p zina a dagi hena less of a distance have the center o zidagi kaido we have the at a distance r the leba adu sphere zigi radius a neba aduna kaido ni have the haziki point p ze cz ma manung da haita manungi solid sphere amagi mapanda su haidi sigi manungi solid sphere sigi yengnora point p zikai lay dino mapanda lay dini bako. And then remaining mapanda su ke we have the shell amazu le haweba mapanda ko and sigi shell the thickness yawi ko. So sina zu amuka magi gravitational potential da contribute tawrakani ba auna nang na tawgudu ji kaino have the sigi sina. Let's say this is bp1 harge and let's say this is bp2 ne bako sigi number moraga bp1 and then sigi mapan gi na maram waraga bp2 na. So ani gi sum oi dine ba sigi p the like the potential je sir na haining is gyan ta bra ma'am
ta de sir
kay ba sikda ta dia
kan music
okay ang galake ba ko akoina na ngarang to gi ba the gravitational potential of a solid sphere amagi gravitational potential at an external point ever. Now external point to sida lay ko and sida layba potential difference to kaya no hangmaneba bp at a potential at an external point sina ngarang to grave ko kuina adu the distance r ne from the center adu du kai tagi hai matamda si se tagi minus gm by r tagi so mai puthok matamda ko. But now sigi point p jaina external have sphere dugi mapana ta sphere gi manung da changak pataragadi at an internal point p je manung da sphere gi manung da laiba taragadi sphere jain ani thokna khaidok pa yaiba point p duna point p na laiba jaga do adu bauda sphere ma nangna construct tawroba adudi adu point p do jiki sphere dugi mapan da lairena natra sphere du surface lai khangera da khaloba and then point P dudagi su wang ma su sphere gi remaining portion khara di le hori dana kai ino di ma je sphere gi manung da changai ne ba gyan tai ta de tai ko internal point ne ba point P je aduna potential se sphere kai dong ne have the point P na point P na le ba jaga du da nang sphere am constructor ga adugi manungi manungi portion of the solid sphere na pirakpa potential ga mapangi portion of the lemhori ba shell ama thickness yaw shell ama na lemhori ba thickness yaw shell du na pirakpa potential du ani du samta roidra tani ko gyan ta right se tai ko so sigi ne vp se vp1 plus vp2 oi ga du ne ba vp se ma'am kan to bra sir na hai gyan ta bra
Tai sir.
tai ko
sir.
okay Lakshmi ta bra
Tai sir.
tai ko okay fine adu ga di yam thuna sa sat launa ko direct to thok si sida matam ya manga loisi so aduna ai kwai first manungi jana puthoke ko manungi jidi akoina kai khangi habada manungi di sigi formula je panjalani minus gm by r na ko so minus z haga ke doba minus gm by r now minus z ke doba m je au the m je ke doni habada m1 hani manungi je mass 1 je ko this is m1 and mapangi mass na kai no m2 the remaining portion ni mass na m2 ko ai red color no ina tawge ko hen ke no ina ba clear ina ba ta manungi mass na m1 and mapangi mass na m2 yare ko sise yare circle ga tawroge ko so sumain lei aduna adu ergadi yare so minus gm by r lere then aduga mapangi sina potential z minus erga z erga ke doba dm by erga kaya again minus zdm by r or ni ko mapan gi se ko so mapan gi si aina ji ke do we have da si puthopam changi manung gi puthopam changi bu ko so puthok si okay so all right so si kai lai ni have the minus harga ke do ba si gi ko manung gi se ko adudi again sir na si sumaina lai rabni na ne sigi sign je haparoi kai you know the formula pa leba formula da minus gm by r ni na ko sigi ke do ba integration gi sign je yaura roi si da ko so now sigi ji aina kai tane have the minus z haraga m haraga ne sumain la kani ko a shortcut pudi to bi but adu to roge m1 by 4 by 3 by r cube is equal to kaitani have the total mass m divided by 4 by 3 a cube aduna it implies harga m1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi 4 by 3 pi wala me ka kre adudi kaitani have the m times of harga r cube by a cube si tai ji gyan tabra tai ko aduna gm harga can I write like this r square by a cube si yabra first ki se gyan tabri ong me amta sidagi si laise sigi pot chain ne z minus z by r di laser na the r do aseng si r cube si ka ki by r square lak pane ba ko adu ke do ba m1 hai ji kaino have the manungi spare si gi mass na kaino m1 ne lo je ba remaining portion gi spare si na m2 ne lo jira whatever adain lo je ba ko so aduga adain to solve to duni gyan tabra ta da mya ngaubra yengom ta yeah bro
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah ko
Yes, sir.
okay fine adu targadi hazik aina keno tawrsi ko mathangda let's say cgc akoina kidosige habda mathangi ko keno si tawsi 1 second kidoba kaisa kre lere ko baduna makhagi jeng tawrsi ko ccdm by r so remaining portion of the shells CCG DM je yung tawge ko ona magi di DM by harga my volume je my volume jidi kai when you have the 4 pi haraga let's say ke do 4 pi ka 4 pi haraga magi distance ka x square r square da tor su ya budi r square dr to na fabra na tragana x to in thamage ka x na hena general or ni kai no the r is fixing the ka so let's say this is x na 4 pi x square haraga dx lower ge aduga yes ka which is equal to kai tarni have the total mass na m lerni adu amazina 4 by 3 pi haraga a cube la ni buko auna 4 pi ka kre buko aduna ai sigi formula si horen tarakada formula si kona sida swai hidu thangdo thamage ko kona dum tajarakchani so cc dagi aina kai fangi habda dm se kai fangi on ko dm se dm se aina m haraga kedoba x square dx sorry 3m haigadamni ko so I see kitang kay no even ko tricky even ko munengo then so can I say like this 3m a cube x square dx ya brasi se ma'am ya ko gyanta bro
Sir.
tai ko okay fine so now howzik kaido we have the sidam minus adam laksar jani ko aduga kailani have the 3 lerni z lerni m lerni aduga a cube su lerni aduga integration of x masi dx si makha legadra si dx si mathakta legadamni ne ko ai sure comment toraga si soigrino si dx si mathak legadamni aduga si sina kakthatlage aduga si sida sumain thamage ko duna si x dx tare and then has kai dina kai bo to go dina have the magi si r dina e bo to go dina ko r dina kai bo wa e bo kai no di smagi ngasai gi shells thickness yaw shell ni ko thickness of so thickness of the shell starts from r to a is in a complete the r dagi kai you know the r bo di koi manungi internal sphere the low grade r for the ko external shell ama leise si gi ne ko aduna r to a lorni adu regadi sidi kai tare habda minus z m r square by a cube adum la yusano minus haraga 3zm a cube haraga sigi sidi aina kai do x square by 2 natra aduna sidi kai tare habda a square minus r square by 2 si sumain tare ko adu ibta regadi aina kai guma minus zm minus zm ko by haraga a cube c common loba matamda r square am lere ko then minus haraga kedoba sige si 1 second ko ma'am just 1 second I call online
Voice call from Vikram Moinam on SIM
Zoom recording okay fine ko yare ko so aduna kedo we have the cc kai lere cc r square lere ko and then cc aina r square ko sida a cube ama leisi chumbra x square dx ne ko x dx aduna x si kaidoba kai den kai phone habda r daina kaidoba a ne ko on a cube a square do the a to the power 5 tiny ko okay so aina kaigumba keno si a cube si common ka okay so aina to si ko soidana ba aina si answer ji hana yengjalure ba ka aduna ni wakanda keno khalai so minus haraga zm c common lower ge zm loin common keno lay na ko so 3 square by a cube lay ko minus haraga ccd kai lay have the cd a cube lakte ne ko a to the power 5 lay ko a to the power 5 t yabra ya de 3 by 2 lakko ko aduga a cube on lagadi mataktonga power is chowkatkrani somewhere kaidano ma koi mistake ama commit tore. So mistake si kaida commit to hing si ka. There's an error here. Koina si to matam da ka a cube si makhat lakadaw na tra. How?
Oh, from the dm so
Hmm.
dm equals to 3m x squared dx divided by a cube. Oi,
Chume. Sisin. Makhada lakadaw ni sige ka. Thank you. This should be here ka. Makhala lakadaw ni. I swear. Sile ka. Tuna. Sile ka. Yeah. Adu ergadi this is x squared, so x dx layer ka. So a cube c makhada lakadam ne ka. That's right. So sigi a cube c makhada lakadam ne ka. And then sigi zina lab sigi kitang chingjala zika. Duga si sumay layer ni adu ergadi sigi kasem dozi sigi kitang chingkala zika. Duga makhada kay layer ni makhada a cube layer ni ka. And then CZ sumay layer ni ko adu ergadi hazik adu di ainin ngasai loromba a cube to dum common law yare ana a cube to common law si ka unnecessary kino tawna dana ko. So what I can do is here minus arga zm by a cube se na kayuma common law ta argadi r square layer ni ka minus arga 3 by 2 a square layer ni, so minus the plus layer ni ka. Then 3 by 2 r square layer ni buka. So 3 by 2 r square ga si ga di kay dong ni hamatam da sign si kay dong masway ba. Okay, sida already minus sign am logram ni na. Sige minus si kay la ni, si minus si plus la ni, aduga sige plus si na minus la ka da ka. Sign si already ay na minus am logram ni na. Nga over sige za. Sign giza. Ya bro ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got seem to hide token really problem. So this is how we prove it ka. Okay, we have the sige the 2 ama ka. Step ama happy ay ka. Step ama hapa na pagadaba mali aduna kay na to isa. Si A na kay dili horiba. Okay. Is fractal ni. So let's do one thing. Sige AC sida layer ka. Sida step amtang hapki kita umne ko sir na. Siguro matam sang ning daw ni. Minus sarga kay daw si sa zmy a cube layer. Then adu erga di sida is the 3 by 2 a square minus sarga r square by 2 tare ka. Auna do the 2 zima common log to crawl the 3a square minus r square tare ka. So CZ sumay na tara kibane ba. Rangi formula da ka. So this is the formula for this is the formula for gravitational potential of a solid sphere at an internal point, at an internal distance r from the center, which is lesser than the radius a. A is in a radius name radius n pick per distance. Mayam loina ma yar ba sikize yadaba mi yaubra. No response.
Yani, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. So
sir.
Okay, great. Adu ergadi koi CC su loramina makha tawrsi ka. Makha si kaina si tawgre je makha tawtharsi. Makha je koi kai tawgre ngarangi do. The question number 13 tawgre, 14 tawgre ka. Question number 15 je only two particles of equal mass go around a circle of radius r under the action of the mutual gravitational attraction. The speed v of each particle is high. Sisi ngamgadra ngamoidra sa sairo. Ngamoidu di sir tawdiba. So noina gravitational force of attraction is the centripetal force to adu substitute over the ani du mana halaga speed puthokadiba ngamgadra ngamoidra
Ngam ni sir.
ngamni ko okay fine
Ngam ni sir.
ngamoidaba mi yaubra no response keno ngamgadra saita boss ngamgadra
Ngam ni sir.
Olivia
Ngam sir.
ngamni bu ko okay the differ mani ari question number 16 saying the earth revolves around the sun with an angular velocity of this in a circular orbit of radius this the force exerted by the sun on the earth in newton is 7 ko so see the pyramid is the mass of the earth pyramid then angular velocity pyramid ko omega pyramid then radius of the circular orbit so pyramid adu the force exerted by the sun on the earth putwa heba so see ngam gadra ngamni ngamoy sajairo no response
Ngam sir.
ngamni bu ko Lakshmi okay so sigi question ji kamaina solve tawgaduino hay matamda centripetal force ki formula do hairo kaino m
MB
omega
square
square r mb square by r su pan bi ai but sigi matang ji di m omega square r ne ba so mass of the earth pyramid omega su pyramid r su pyramid omega is square to saloba aduna 2 square di 4 ko 4 into 1.5 ti kaino 6 into 6 is 36 and 36 tab am yaram ni adu answer tan so 36 option A is the right answer yung nem 36 tab ryong
Tai sir.
tai ko so sir na jikta solve to gi du gyan ta obra centripetal force I was z mb square by r ni but v do nga omega r na ontoku matam da m omega square r tai ko ona adu sing du to do 36 tare ko so option A so on hota bi sumai khot ka doine ba ko Mathang question number 17 ziko. If the gravitational force between two objects were proportional to 1 upon r and not as 1 upon r square where r is the distance between them, then a particle in a circular path would have its orbital speed v proportional to hierarchy. You know, see question tricky bra. Question number 17 ngam gadra ngam dra sa zero.
Ngam ni.
Tàu gì sir?
Tau zero ka. Okay fine.
Tàu
Okay.
sir.
Tau zero ka. Okay. Tau ka. So, gravitational force between two objects were proportional to 1 by r have a so direct m v square by r is equal to capital G m hajira capital Z m by r square remote r lane gyantai ko aisa aduragadi r ga se cancel satkravanina then its orbital speed v do v is kaino directly proportional to r to the power 0 kaino r ampu yaudre ko so v is now kaino independent of r ta ne answers gyantai ta de
Tai sir.
ai ko okay fine noi kino to ne answer am da check to kai tai
Sir B tai.
b tai ko yare ko
Yeah.
okay fine so actually moi na hangi question dikitang kaino eba question ni ko just noi gi kaino skill haigadra noi gi mathematical skill test of wene da physics q and the dimensionally si la ko har ma khak lak ya the dimension da dum sanara roi ko but moi na question ni sumaina hangam na koi ju sumaina kum bi tare ko okay next key question number mathang the acceleration due to gravity of the earth if the mass were 10 times blah blah a satellite is mass near the surface and blah 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 so okay so sige is koi solve to bayani ko so akoi na kai khangi have the acceleration due to gravity ki formula ji kai no khangmana tra small g is equal to capital Z me divided by re square ne ba ko so adu pan ni ko so question number ke do ba 18 da hangi ji kai no if the mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude, which of the following is not correct? Have a call. So question number 18 zing amgadra sir tauzira sajaro.
Sir, siwidi kano 4 jidi hong hade kano G ga mass ga hong adi hong ni udi khangi na mathakki myam chumi ji udi khangdi.
Okay, mathaki myam chumi ji udi khangdi. Ado option number D is Z on earth will not change. Si madi sure or sim di khange ba.
Oh, ando di change tawni ba.
Okay. Z is small z की value is kano capital G natra. ID capital G me by R square natra ba.
Mane.
Aduna universal gravitational constant to 10 times larger in magnitude or the small g ke do hong ide ba.
Aduna hongani ba aduna asida ran ba kudo ni na mana si hongoi haje si lala di asida si lala ma.
Okay. Adu hong ani aduna si mazi la le have si ma khang ba ko. Adu atai jina ke do chumi no ba. Raindrops will fall faster ze. Si ke do ba. Again z do ke do ni have the capital Z universal gravitational constant is chawra na acceleration due to gravity is chawra ni adu di raindrop oigera anything fall to do hen faster fall to roidro Z chawroidro small z do chawroidra ba capital G chawra gadi
Saurkani.
mayam sir na haji gyan tabra lotion ngambra lo ni mak
Gyan tayo, sir.
okay ta da we already hero ko sir cannot doesn't explain to ge the option number B the walking on the ground would become more difficult nang weight for example 50 Newton neng khala jinang gi weight se ko have the 50 kg into 10 kedoba meter per second square do hai di 50 Newton neng khala je ado z do kai gumba 10 gi mo 100 or dinang 500 Newton or dinang kong do sorry 500 Newton neng khala je manang weight se adi 5000 Newton or dinang yam line thang chat pangam gadra ngam moidana and walking on the ground would become more difficult. Time period of a simple pendulum on the earth will decrease. Sisu chumme. Kaya have the time period C 2 pi root over L by Z ne bako. Z do makada laibani on Z do chawkhalagadi time period to handarakane bako. Kaya inversely proportional oeva. So time period ki formula jidi noi Part-3 ka. Sisi di sarna noida oscillation gi chapter do talakani ka. So oscillation yo pagdang ngaira. Aduga sigi time period ki formula do. The Z ga root over Z ga time period inversely proportional होएगा ना Z चौकलक पाई जी time period हंदर कनी बुको अदुगिन यार बा option number A B C चुम्बई मरम जी खंगा बा
Sir yarani.
यार निका okay fine so question number 19 जिंगो a spherical planet has a mass MP and diameter dP. A particle of mass m falling freely near the surface of this planet will experience an acceleration due to gravity equal to kayo dinoy capital G MP m by dP square natra. Sorry. CD force ni ko acceleration due to gravity is small m yaw diba. G MP by dP square natro. dP do nate dP do diameter natro. Di kaino ta ni 4 matak ta karani. Si ta ni option number A. Kaino di radius ni ko dP by 2 whole square ne no. Option number A tare. Kyan tabra ma'am?
Tai sir.
Okay, fine. Question number 20 is in a kaino. Have the imagine a new planet having the same density as that of the Earth, but it is 3 times bigger than the Earth in size. If the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth is z, then and that on the surface of the new planet is z prime, then g prime do kya we don't have in terms of z. Si si knowing ngam sa haro. Ngam mo di sort of then. No response. Okay, fine. So RE square ni dana radius to. Ado moina radius to the sana gaduini ko sigisina. It's a very simple question. Yengasi. Imagine a new planet having the same density, but it is okay. Fine. So z dash is equal to capital Z and mass. Having the same density as that of the Earth. Tarani hojik one shot ta. Aduna hojik ke we have the mana density mana yamnina m dash by harga r dash 4 by 3 pi r dash cube is equal to harga mass of the earth divided by harga 4 by 3 pi ka. Then radius of the earth whole cube never. Sizu whole cube never ka. Aduga moina piramizi amana kaino have the again 4 by 3 pi 4 by 3 pi kakreva ka. Aduna kaido we have the m dash is equal to kaido we have the me me kaido ba me harga r dash cube by re cube sisi malere ka khoida result ama aduga amana radius ta haibadi r dash is equal to 3 times of re sisi ne ba moi pyramid audi lila lore keno audi asidi kai lere sa z lere ka mass of the earth lere ka and then r dash ki muhutta ina kai lobe 3 times of re whole cube lo yadro sa yai ko r dash cube ki muhutta then makhada re cube am lere ka natragana nang hajik longning di haraga ju kona lor si yarne answer se yam line ta ne ta ZME ko ZME R dash cube sisina R dash square audidi RE cube lani adudi ngasai type ta kai lani habda Z lere ME lere RE square lere aduga kai lemorni habda R dash ama lemorani RE ama lemorni can I go so this is still Z dash Gyan guys, adudi z dash is equal to c di kaino c is z nya. Gyan ko and then r dash by re di kaino 3 na tra. Gyan ko on the 3z. 3z ta breong. Ko z dash is equal to 3z. Dune. Question je moina wording je soi bane ko c in size haragadi akhoi volume the chatkani ba ado moina haining in radius ne ba clearly pangadam radius ka size ka mana deva size hadi volume chakane ba ado moina di kedo ba radius satpa mayam loina ma gyan ta ubra no response
tawi sir
tawi ko adune sumaina khara hidi moina question gi wai soi be ne akhoi nga sai si da solve to is si kam soi deva yan da right ja moina volume ha manina kam soi deva in size ha ni volume do hot bane akhoi na but moi gi di radius oi le me si question lan mane anyway for kedo ba sir ju question loine mak sum ningjing na lei bingam dam ni na ko amo muk soina ka thuk pogum ba yar kani aduni noizu exam da na sumaina soiram ba ju I have ji kitang kedo ba presence of mind khar lei re hot lo ko real exam da so question number 21 the density of a newly discovered planet is twice that of earth the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the planet is equal to that at the surface of the earth if the radius of the earth is r the radius of the planet would be have a call so see question jing amudra ngamoi sa haina wrong amudio di sir solve to godin so haro
ngamni sir
ngamoi do mi over si se tawzira
sir tawzi sir
tawza okay yam kuin sanga la ran do mutika sat to to ne the density of a newly discovered planet is twice that of earth so there is the m dash by volume 4 by 3 pi r dash cube is equal to twice erga mass of the earth by volume 4 by 3 pi re cube yareka see the twice la is kaigino the moina density do twice ne have ne yareka matangda do we have the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the planet is equal to that at the surface of the earth amagazu pirameba capital Z m dash by r dash square is equal to capital Z me by re square. See the pyramid the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the planet is equal to that at the surface of if the radius of the earth is r Okay, adu oragadi radius of the planet. Adudi r dash puto u na have name ko. Okay, fine, no worries. Adu oragadi here aina kedo we have the sida aina radius of the earth na r low have name ko. Adudi r dash r dash square divided by re square is equal to z ga kakre. Auna kai tarni have the m dash by m e tarni ka. So CGCD amuka moina kai tarne m dash by me. It implies m dash by me 4 by 3 pi 4 by 3 pi ka kaknagre. The m dash by me is equal to 2 times of r dash whole cube divided by r e cube tarne buka. So which is equal to haraga kaino have the 2 times of r dash cube by re cube tarne buka. 1 second. Sile. Okay, fine ka. So moina putwa is kaino have the kaino ne buka r dash by re putwa ne buka on a root over budi lani. So 3 by 2 lani ka. So 3 by 2 do kakpado kaina fani have do makan bayai. Aduga atopa kai kande m dash 2 me ka. Density twice higher, then matangda acceleration due to gravity in a chap money in higher. Aduragadi root over the putokana power. Just ka putokana power. Putte kande potse kamaina sigisi mana gadu no everyone ka sigisi m dash by me ka m dash by me is kana bro kana de c 3 by 2 level ka aduna let's say okay fine adudi it implies harga kai le ha matam da ka mathakta r e lani makhadana r dash lani is equal to 2 lani gyan tabra sise ngorba it implies r dash is equal to half of r e. Option number D tabre ome
Tai sir.
tai ko ngau bro sikisa gyan ta dabra
Tai sir.
tai ko
Tai sir.
okay fine
sir.
tai okay fine so yung ko sisi sir na kamay hai jigab let's say this is equation 1 and let's say this is equation 2 adu oiba taragadi 1 and 2 implies si tare ka taragadi sidagi nang kaknaro adu si tarani aduga finally answer si tarani yare ko ma'am
Tai sir.
okay yeah so now let's move on to the next question number 22. So the acceleration due to gravity on a planet A is 9 times the acceleration due to gravity on planet B. A man jumps to a height of 2 meters on the surface of A. What is the height of jump by the same person on the planet B? Have a call. So seizing a madrang madrasa designer.
Sir, what's it?
What's have a call? Okay. Yung ko, isa si kapayra pamis. Alright. So acceleration due to gravity on the planet A is 9 times. ZA is equal to 9 times the acceleration due to gravity on planet B. A man jumps to a height of 2 meters on the surface of A. So height HA is equal to 2 meters. Then what is the height of jump on the surface B? HB is equal to what? Hadi mana chongkhat pa matam da ne. Gyan ta rise mai chongkhat pa gi magi ke do kinetic energy do. Hadi ma chongkhat pa hai ji ke no. initial kinetic energy na ma chongkhat ki doine ba now aduduna potential energy the convert to matam de mgh ta doini dana ka adu kinetic energy di chap mana doine ba ai the same person jump to doini na ka ka do kb ga chap mana ne ba now adugi ka du kai de convert to wini potential energy de convert to wini ba mgha da should be equal to mghb da kaino di conservation of energy layeba ko kaino gravitational force have is a conservative force in ko ana aduga same person jump to bonina sina let's say this is planet A de chonga presi chonge and this is planet B de chonga predan shmai chongkhat leba ko but same person mi ama tangna chongkhat paina person A na chong person B du same person du ne ba ana mabani kinetic energy horokpada leba mani gi kinetic energy du di chap mana ne ba kaino the same person ne ba ko amane na kan de ba amane na shon de ba chap mana ba kinetic energy chongkhat to ne but height to the magi g the depend to wina mana ro do ne ba ko so mass to chap mana same person ni ka thakrani ko now c is z any c na zb ne adu the answer taramani da tarba of the hb is equal to kai tare have the zb by za times of ha so which is equal to kaino have the zb di kaino 9 natra so 9 into 2 kai tare 9 into 2 lai kyan tabra 18 meter tare
Tai.
amte yung answer chumbre yung ma'am no response yung sector tabra taramaro 2 by 9 tabra kaino z is kaino ne ba 9 ne ba ko 2 by 9 tagadam ni sorry
18 tai.
taya
Oh.
18 taya ba ko adu di ngai ko kai de sorry h kaino bu to ka duja what is the height of jump by the same person on planet B hb is equal to za by zb ne oh sida soy bo elem cheese anirak soiraga chummi da adune hajik tawbiri to kaina size hb bu to ke di za by zb ne ba gyan ta ko za di 9 times of zb ni na zb ka kraga 9 into 2 18 ta ba yare ko
Yes, sir.
yare
Yes, sir.
okay olivia lakshmi yarba
Yes. Yes, sir.
okay sindui nangju kan toro cheta kumo gyan tariba question number 23 24 yang 23 what will be the formula of mass of the earth in terms of z r and capital G hai si de hai gadra hai ni ko hai roi
Ini.
hai ni adudi kai ta dun haro hai do di kai ta dun haro
Z macha R square by G aso.
okay fine very good kai hai matam da akwina small z is equal to capital G me by r square ni na una small z to the r square do chat krani adu capital G na makhala ni so option number B is the right answer ma'am gyan tabra si kise
Yes, sir.
tai ko
Yes, sir.
Christina do okay fine yeah so question number 24 the acceleration due to gravity z and mean density of the earth rho are related by which of the following relations and I have a ko mean density okay fine so question number 24 je haigadra hiroidra so sa hainaro tawzira tawrojira noi ngamgadra
Ngam ni, sir.
ngamni ko tawse ba mi yauri so amatang we are gadi tawgadoni ko tawse wa ra so isidi am live question ni ko noi mass to rho into volume do onto lori gino gyan dai ko aja have the capital Z small z to kaino have the capital Z haraga mass of the earth to aina rho haraga rho into volume hai be abraba 4 by 3 pi re cube na this is mass neba this is mass can dai ko aja z then divided by kaino re square adu di kai ta ni si dia have the 4 okay 4 pi cái gì cái nó mình tới oh rho puthwai ra okay puthopir lo cái này rho puthwai cái gì cái r square to r cube sim ka krani rho z si le horani of the 3g 3 small z divided by harga 4 capital Z 4 pi capital Z 4 pi capital Z R E tar rows 3Z by 4 pi capital Z R E. So option number kay tare A tare. Gyan tao bro ma'am. Ngao bro si ja.
Tại sao?
Okay, tại sao?
Rồi.
Dai ka. Okay fine. Green. This interrogation. Okay, fine. Yeah. Next tao Z. Question number kya na? 25 la.
Sir,
Hiro.
sir, ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯣ
Hmm.
density of Earth ꯀꯤ direct formula ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ sir? ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ answer-ꯗꯣ.
Density of Earth ki direct formula di kay na hai. Kay formula.
ꯑꯪꯀ sir, density ꯑꯣꯏꯅ density ꯒꯤ formula-ꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ?
Density
Density
ki
of Earth
value hiro density ki formula hiro kay ano.
formula sir.
Density of Earth ki kay formula lagi hiro.
Sir, ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ answer-ꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯕ.
Oh, okay. Sida tarayba result se koina density of Earth ki kaygumba anka gumba da sigi result se sinaba yagadra hangiro. Adudi question gi makha pole. Nang adi kaygumba density of the Earth tu nang na kaygumba atopa habidi acceleration due to gravity nung amta changwidaba jaga da si sinawragadi ang praktaroidro. Habidi
Oh, sir.
question gi context ki makha pole ko density adi magi value the put option gera si season again natraga atopa ina compressibility dagi density put ho yadro
Yeah.
yai ko aduna adudi solid state or kani bu ko adumaina habidi atopa ma'am formula density ji ma'am different ways to kuina kedo deduce to bai ai ado question gi demand gi makha poli ko adumaina okay and that's a very good question ko nang phazano dana khala ido phai student amo ina idea do ana question khalai do chumme ko dan khangadam sarna idi noigi jaga da le amagazu ke do wasar so dan khalam be ai ko doing so nice next yang is question number 20 of kano jigido 25 na tro natte 25 sitting amgadra the radius of earth is this and that of Mars is this mass of the earth is about 10 times mass of Mars and an object weighs 200 newton on the surface of earth its weight on the surface of Mars will be have. So question number 25 so I'm gadrang amudra so zaina ro hotse okay
Okay, sir.
question number 8 question number 25 am live rank in luan to asidi am tin live question go its weight on the surface of Mars aduragati kay wini matamda m di chamani mgm haijra mgm putho amne aduragadi capital Z m dash haijra haijra mass of Mars ko m gi m ngata ngai da nong ngau tare duna m dash harge m harge divided by r dash square yare ko cz ni cz mg dash ni ko w dash to never weight in Mars to w dash never so sile aduda kai do we have matamda g dum leijare now moina kai have me the radius of the earth is this and that of Mars and r dash by r is equal to 3200 by 6400 which is equal to half aduna sigi sida half square le ni half kedo square harga r square ka or half r whole square has you I know apamani it hardly matters and then mass the mass of the earth is about 10 times mass of aduragadi m dash ki moto kay yani have the 1 by 10 ka 1 by 10 mass of the earth le yani and then ngasai small m do di adum thammo small m adum mg dash adum ka auna m ga di kakro even si yaw ko so no adum laisano let it be. Okay, fine. Adu regadi sidi kai tani have the 2 square 4 ni dana ko. So 4 by 10 mz di kai no mz di 200 newton ne 200 ne. So si kai no mz dash to put y ne. Ana si kai tare 80 newton tare answer. Mayam si gyan ta udra ngaw ba. Ngaw bu nang udra ba. Yung ngaw ra pre yung gyan ta pre ngaw bu nang udra kang bu.
Sir, asigi hapse MG ki da hapai gyan ta.
Kaida hapak pa sisa sisi na trumi r dash by kaino ni r ni okay nang si gyan ta deba ko sa harakis adudi sisi 1 by 2 tarba it implies r dash is equal to half of r tarba yarbo half of r whole square siudi yarba r dash square imuta
Yeah.
They di atay di lon yarba amuka step ang hapkizira kaino ni slow to the line okay so makatausi makasi kaino sir kaino to ko step ang hapke ko yamna di live po ne ulit noi kitang miss tore step ama so sida hapsi ka kaino have the cz ne ba mo puto ay mz dash ni so m har 2 square 4 by 10 harga capital G C M there then capital Z M E by R E square never. So CCD kaino CCD 4 by 10 M Z never. So M Z di kaino 200 na tro. When see the kay harmi since M Z is equal to 200 Newton. Ngaw bra. Yarbo ma'am.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yani sir.
Yani ka. Okay, fine. Kano jiga question number. Sisira. Lower maleka. The acceleration due to gravity below and above the surface of Earth. Mathang the gravitational potential energy. Again, si gazi no idon solve to yar tum ni ko. They escape speed. Okay, escape speed po tak po zira or Earth line. Pung 923 talam ito. Engay ko. Engay sa may isang daw mal. Yeah. Masaya may isang. Okay, fine. Torsi ko. Theory is theory. Ahum mukta thara ke ko mathang. Muna taro dun. Aduga si kasu yam lu dabani ko. Acceleration hai ni si acceleration. Acceleration due to gravity small in season ageda. Due to gravity, ede higher ga height tan to sira depth tan to sira.
Height hand toes.
Height han to sira. Okay. Ede height h from the surface of Earth to the higher right. It is understood. It is understood and lower ga from the surface of the Earth at a height h to lay ni. So zig no. Come on. See there you go. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, see in a compare to no pull up page some of the put up on for right a height h and yeah, don't paste it all. All right. See there you go. Aduna kaido we have the let's say this is of height h and akoigi mass small m see the dune baka and RE zina keda we have the sidena sina radius of the earth to neighbor ka jigyang si expression due to gravity at height h. So sardum samjal lakke ZH is equal to capital G M E divided by harga distance idi kai tarne have the RE plus H whole square tarne sidika. Now sigi potsi aina some maths khar sizinarga maths haji kaya class 5 6 ki maths ne sinar kadai REJ ke ji common law thoge adu rga di kai tani have the 1 by RE tabra taika sorry 1 I get them in kai 1 plus H by RE tare and then C square laibanina sidasu square tawrage sidasu square tawrage singawbra
ngaude yani sir
ngauti adudi Z ME by RE square is Z ne yan dai ga then C is kind of the 1 plus H by RE to the power minus 2 hai ta ka so I minus 2 ga half kiroge sumain toge ye kai ne to is now C formula see this is very important but condition ama lay ka condition ji kai no hai matam da yam ka kaino to kedoba tau ka munna tau sigi si miss to ganu si ek miss to ba noi kedoni have the question solve to ngamoy if H is much smaller than RE then H by RE is much smaller than 1 ka then hagedam because if this then H by RE becomes much smaller than 1 and Z of H may be written as Z haraga C the square and wala meka 1 minus 2H by RE and sumain layba ka so sigi formula si khina sizinarkani now sigi formula si karam kanda valid oigani hai matam the only when the height is much smaller than the radius of the earth have the radius of the earth is 6400 km neba nangi height china 1 km 2 km 10 km chatpadudi sigi formula jam sinawa kaino ama 6400 km ne nangi height na half of the radius of the earth ka chakala ba 3200 km ka chakala gadi si formula sina yaroi ba si un sina ga dine ba gyan tai ko sir na haja gyan tai ta de tai ko
tai sir
ado sigi sir kai no si dai si la ko ji ngawre kai khalaga di noi si ji khangbra 1 plus let's say delta x to the power n is equal to 1 plus n times of delta x if 1 plus x times of delta x if delta x is much smaller than 1 hiding ipojike in the 1 plus 0.01 to the power k let's say minus 2 this is equal to 1 minus 2 into 0.01 so which is equal to 1 minus 0.02 natra adidi 1 minus 0.02 di kai tani 10 minus 2 di kai 10 minus 2 di 8 9 so 0.98 ta rasi ja taita de tai ko adu sigi ja nangna sigi formula je sizina da bida sida minus laksali je si sizina da bida so minus ne sizina so abdi 1 by k doba 1.01 whole square to ko adu da di kai tani habda sigi sinangna si into tawdojina yena utan jagre ko tower si ko deiso noi kyan ta na 1.01 whole square tawdini ko adu ergadi 11 square 1.01 whole square ko so 111 atra 0 1 then mathangi sina 0 lani mathangi na 1 0 1 ong lani so 1 0 2 0 1 lani buka aduga point sina 1.0201 lani sigi po se koi torieng si ko 1 by 1.0201 natra so wait a second calculator could I say 1 by 1.0201 so 1 divided by bracket ka jakra 1.0201 equals to kai tai 0.98 dum ta address ya tabra ta dabra
Tare.
tai ko 0.98 adum tai ba si aduna adum ta ne ba yadab ne ba ko asikidam mangam monitor history there is no history yet memory asikidam mangre to is ani subra okay sida leire ba ko aduna amazika thakrai so sigise aduna sir na haining is kaino habda asing bri sir na noidana error da IC topic se noida sum kitang thuna takpa ge noida takti ta audra bane ba ko combination of error gida sigi formula se ko season nei ba when kedoba raised to the power gido when a physical quantity is expressed as kedoba as some power of another physical quantity haitare ko aduna for example let's say area is equal to haraga length square haiba gumba aduda adugi matamda sida leiba absolute error du sida leiba length leiba absolute error du gi 2 times hoini buka 2 du direct lakani adu adugumba da sarna sizina givene sizina bane buka aduda so adumai lei ado mayam sigi si sarna sida step am sam is gyan taw braba ha step am sam ba habdi sigi step sidaina si laise 2 je mathak pukhaladi -2 lakani dana -2 do coefficient on direct changjal laine ba gyan dai ta de
Tai
Sai,
sir.
sir.
adune sigi small n je my sign je positive oi bi negative oi bi anything oi bi si n dak long changjal lakani ba n je -2 or -2 je coefficient on changjal lakani ba ona 1 plus or -2 into 0.01 hai matamda adum si answer je chap chap manai je answer ni chap manai adun takpadi kaino habda 1 plus yam pikpa 1 da yam pikpa number amaze raised to the power again c plus or c plus c minus or je c minus or ne c ki coefficient ki power dun into toksalaga plus 1 gi bi minus adum lai bi it doesn't matter gyan tai ko ai je ta de
Tai.
tai
Sai,
ko
sir.
Tai
okay
tai
fine
sir.
so aduragadi so koina acceleration due to gravity at a height h habda C formula Z har 1 minus 2h by R is an insingo, but si pan baya the question tangkai ma di si pan baya ko kay you know the radius of the earth ki 1/3 the half kind of har kanya adu the si ek pal ba answer dum la ni kay you know this is applicable only when h is much smaller than radius of the earth ne ko okay now let's do at a depth d zikido karam question no d 0 malaka nati karamba top page na edit depth dito or si edit depth d sina below the surface of the earth la ne ko aduna koi si kaktatlani ihe kunno chat ki ba kai circle jen chali ja which trends mind ka sima yare ko now edit depth d the name ko edit depth d the oina la ze ko aduna let's say this is the center and edit depth d my computer ka do ne ko edit depth d that all right fine now still we know the radius of the earth is still it is re adu ergadi kai lakani hai matamda c plus c mota minus lani ko ai pulap se ko thakage na fine Sinaji yaroido. If it's required, I'll use. If not, I won't. So RE minus D whole square. C yadra have the C yaroiba. Kayino have the entire mass of the earth low yaroiba. Sigi matang is the dika. Dugini. So yengo. Zikidowi. Software. Sumaina lani buka. Aduna kaidawi have the Mazi si the kumthara kramnina mass si the kumthara kramnina ko. Remaining portion of the kedoba earth se mana maram oiraga kedoba mangunda acceleration due to reaching the duji mana neva. I mapanda leibisina di mapan leibise ko count or roiba ko manunga le hori pochina mazi jingda ganeva. Gyan taita di taiko. Gyan tabra?
Taisha.
Taiko. So let's say this is M dash and color jeva. Auna si ME lakpa yararoi ko manungi na sidi aduna M dash lani M dash. But akoina si ma'am loin logthokrage hajik. Aduga handak mukna kay lani ha matamda M dash. So M dash by volume di chap manay same earthni 4/3 pi araga RE minus D whole cube is equal to M by 4/3 pi RE whole cube neba ko. Aduna kwina sidagidi kay tarani haibada 1 second. Ka. 4/3 pi ka kre 4/3 pi ka kre ka. And I can simply use this capital Z divided by RE minus D whole square into Araga RE minus D whole cube by RE cube Araga sida ME lani ka. So duraga si square si ka kre amale maure. Desi RE square som the purakomatam da I step amaga hapage ko singly something but summary okay. Audi kay lerni have the RE minus D by RE lerni. Aduna CD kay tare have the Z of D is equal to Z times of 1 minus D by RE. And this is a sida kay imta kadoba. Handak muksida di assumption low giba kem leite. This is general formula ka. Ere depth D gidi formula amadehen leite. Ere height H gidi there are two formulas on a karamba. There are two formulae hagadra. So karamba season agadana have na kangam tui question gi matung in a season payai sometimes season payai ko but at a depth di the formula amakak lay Z 1 minus D by RE in a ko. So ma'am lo yar basi giza gan tau bra
Taisha.
Tahu
tau ko.
Always
Okay, fine. So durgadi hazik takpa escape velocity ko yang tak thozira pung ze kya tar
Sir, haying towards.
hang thozira 9 tar ngai ko di question amani ko laga tawzi ka noi pung 9:39 talem adu sir ngasi do keno thabak am leibagi interview di natte ko meeting am leiba tar moigi keno khara ka top central university gi oza khara ga adu gi ne jikta keno toromi do anyway so question amani ko sika acceleration due to gravity below and above the surface of earth. Oh, sidai hote ni ka. So question number 26 noi paro du ngam gada har. A body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of the earth. What is the gravitational force on it at a height equal to half the radius of the earth? Ngam gada ngam moidra sir tauzira. Sajairo. Sajairo, Setabos, Prithviras, Lakshmi, Olivia, Anjali, Sinthoi.
yani sidi.
Anjali gidi yani buka. Atai question number 26 gi sigi Sigi question je NEET 2020 gi se sisi tawzira tawrishira saja inaro
yarani sir.
Yani sir.
Yani sir.
yani pung thengjelak pa yaw man je leide no gi se question amadi ho cheba amma natra ani di ho cheba ko theory the solution je nungai te ba deni question number 27 je a body weighs 200 newton on the surface of the earth how much will it weigh halfway down to the surface of the earth sidi khangadra
And to hold it.
yes class question namni torish okay fare wala ji ka question khare luba khalake di leite ko live am khajle to ise wala ji me class questioning male so a body weighs 200 newton on the surface of the earth mz do kai neba 200 newton neba how much will it weigh halfway down to the surface of the earth so zd do zd kai ta ge zikta z harga 1 minus kai no d by re yai ko my general formula amakak ni so I z mo to direct dum 200 hapsalage then 1 minus harga d do kai no half 5 na tra so half times of re divided by re adurga d re ka kre 1 minus half te dum half tare half times of 200 which is equal to 100 newton option number a tabrong ma'am
So kaya na si mg 200 or g that's it easy.
Ngaiko chume Angelina have a chume cc mm walambra mm walam mene ko so okay do we have the ko okay mzd ne ba akoina solve to is mzd na tro solve to is weight ne akoina to solve to is sir na mass am walamba yarbo ziktia
Yare.
yare ko noine tuman badu sir ju tuman tuna solve to sange na to soi do kre to is adi soi ba adi mass am hapam dreba mm hapam dreba मैम लोने में क्या आर्बो सिसे ज्ञान ताब्रो
Tayo sir.
ताइको okay fine so ngasi gidi sidalo shala jira na traga question number 29 gidi the acceleration due to gravity at a height 1 kilometer above the earth is the same at a depth d below the surface of the earth then haraga d do kayo dinu e asim tanga tawlo shala ziko si question budi lie but kena tawzika ai tawra system 1 kilometer haibani karamba pani 1 kilometer is 6400 kilometer yang nor kanda yam dina small oidra
G equal to
at a height h is equal to z at a depth d ne ko at a height h to kaino habda z harga 1 minus 2 into 1 by re is equal to harga z harga 1 minus d by re si diga manalo d do kai ta no d do kai ta ne d do 2 into half kai do ba dz kai ta re dz 2 ta re d is equal to 2 kilometer yengom ta option kya ta mte yo c ta bra no response
C ta.
C ko so kai no have z of h height ta re ko ere height pung ta re na ko to re okay fine ko ke do ba ere height h ki di z are 1 minus 2h by re ni na so h to 1 kilometer ni na 1 low re ko aduga ere depth d di moi piram de d do putu am ne ba so si formula ni compare to matam da loina mak chap mane ba manadri ji kai da no have da si gi d ji ma pa da kai lege 2 into 1 laitro 2 adu remaining ji loin chap manadra ba audi obviously d do 2 into 1 2 ji ta roi dra ba kyan ta bra ma'am
Tayo sir.
Tayo sir.
okay very okay great ka okay fine so do ding si di si da lo shela ji ka thank you for the class ka
Thank you sir.
okay lo shela ji ka
Thank you, sir.
okay thank you
Good night, sir.
okay good night everyone good night